Web3 consulting, everything you need to know. You have decided to jump into the Web3 space. Or do you want to transition from Web2 to Web3? Or do you want to add Web3 services or products to your business? Regardless, all I can only say is that blockchain technology is going to be part of the future. So, if you are joining it, there is a good chance you will benefit from this decision. No one can guarantee when this will happen, but one thing is certain, there are a lot of opportunities in it. That's why I believe that you have made the right choice to use this technology in your business. If you are new to this space, you may be shocked by all that is going on in it. There are many things that may even confuse you, but this is totally fine. It is still a new ecosystem that is creating its boundaries and characteristics at an amazing speed. The Web2 world is not changing at such a pace that gives you more time to adapt and change. That's why a good starting point for you can be to consider hiring a Web3 consultant. What does a Web3 consultant do? There are many things that you can get help with if you decide to hire a Web3 consultant. The problem is that you may waste time and money if you don't know what you are looking for. That's why the first step would be to figure out what you need consultations for. It is even possible to get Web3 consultancy exactly for that, to find out what you need in order to join the Web3. Some of the most common services that you can find in the Web3 world can be categorized into 3 types. Cryptocurrency consulting, NFT consulting, metaverse consulting. Not all consultants or agencies can help with all 3. That's why it is a good idea to know which direction you are going before you search for a consultant. What services a Web3 consultant can offer you? The reality is that blockchain technology has been with us for about 30 years, so it is not that new. During this period, a lot of its fundamentals have been formulated together with the requirements for all that want to use it. Hiring a Web3 consultant can get some of the questions answered regarding that, but you will also be able to get help with white paper design. White papers are one of the most important and core documents of a new project that is dealing with Web3, blockchain, and crypto assets. All experienced people in the Web3 space are looking for it when they are deciding whether to work or not with a company. Tokenomics. Tokenomics is the field focused on the design of economic systems based on blockchain technology. Web3 marketing. Due to the specifics of this technology and its audience, there are also differences in the way companies advertise their services and products in Web3. Having a consultant can offer you more clarity about that. They may also give you the directions that you need to have effective marketing campaigns. Community building. One of the core elements of Web3 is the community building aspect. Knowing how to create one around your blockchain project is very important. Without a solid community, you can't achieve much in crypto. Smart contract consultancy. Your smart contract is going to be an important part of your existence in the Web3 world. It is crucial to have a properly developed smart contract, or you may risk your businesses and your customers' money. There are Web3 consultants that can help you to make the most secure and cost-efficient smart contract for your business. Legal consultations. These days, governments have started to pay more attention to blockchain technology. This has led to constant changes in the legal requirements that all Web3 companies should cover. Your consultant should be able to explain all that to you and help you be neat and orderly legally. There are other things that you can be consulted about, but these are the main ones that Web2 companies or Web3 startups are searching for when deciding to join the Web3 world. That's why if you don't find the consultancy that you are looking for, it doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. I am almost 100% sure that there is always someone that can help you with what you need. And here comes one of the most important questions you should ask yourself. Do I need a Web3 consultant? My quick answer to this question is, it depends. Answering these questions will help you to figure out what you should do. Do you have someone or a team that can start researching the Web3 world? Do you have the time to get deeply involved in it? Do you have the budget to afford a Web3 consultant? Spend some time thinking about these 3 simple questions, and you will figure out whether you need one. But, is it worth hiring a Web3 consultant? Honestly, I believe that if you have the budget, it is worth hiring one. Because it may save you a lot of time, effort, and stress. Sometimes knowing the small details from the beginning can give you a huge competitive advantage. However, all this makes sense only if you are 100% sure that you are transitioning to Web3. Now you are probably wondering, how much does it cost to hire someone for Web3 consulting? Since there are still not many people with enough experience to call themselves experts, the prices are above average for the consultancy sector. You can probably find a cheap solution. However, in most cases, this is not advisable if you are looking to build a solid Web3 presence. If you are still ready to hire a Web3 consultant, let's check some of the popular Web3 consulting companies. Brightnode. Brightnode is a professional business consulting service that is in Switzerland. They offer to consult services that include NFTs, blockchain, token sales, and tokenomics. Hertz. Hertz is an award-winning Web3 development company with extensive experience building Web3 focused solutions that include over 50 decentralized apps, SDKs, protocols, and Web3 ecosystem tools. They also offer a lot of Web3 white label solutions. NURV. NURV is a Web3 agency based out of Colorado Springs. They can help if you are looking to develop tokenomics, execute a marketing strategy for your token generation event, or just want to strategically position your brand in the metaverse. Bankless Consulting. Bankless Consulting has expertise crossing all facets of Web3, dApp design, community, and process. They offer all types of services like blockchain development, DAO consulting, educational programs, legal consulting, and marketing. Metavice. Metavice is a Web3 agency that helps brands get to the metaverse and beyond. Metavice is powered by Collective Campus, an innovation consultancy established in 2015 that has incubated over 100 tech startups and helped develop and execute on innovation strategies for over 60 large organizations across the globe. BCG. BCG helps organizations answer core questions related to the potential use of blockchain solutions and support them throughout the journey. It has helped a wide variety of organizations embrace and harness the power of blockchain. Mainstream Cryptos. Mainstream Cryptos is a Web3 marketing and web design consultancy that helps projects achieve more with their advertising budget. We can help and give feedback about your marketing strategies, offers, and brand presentation. Our team knows what is needed to thrive in the expanding world of Web3. Now you have the information that is needed to decide if you need a Web3 consultant. I suppose that you already know the answer to this question if you have reached this point. But if this is not the case, let's have a short call, we may be able to help you with that too. If you liked our video, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss any upcoming videos.